Hello friends, welcome to lesson number 6 of Adobe Photoshop. In today's lesson I will teach you how to use the clone stamp tool professionally. Let's understand what is the clone stamp tool. As you can take the idea from its name clone, this tool actually used to clone the objects. With the help of this tool you can duplicate, add, or remove the objects. So to see how this tool works, let's go. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Ansari Production PS, just click on the subscribe button to encourage me, and click on the bell icon to receive the notification of my all new tutorials. Here I created a basic straight line, to understand the function of clone stamp tool. And below this, I created another line with some missing parts. Let's select the clone tool, press the S button from your keyboard, or simply click on the clone stamp tool. On top make sure that the opacity is set to 100% and flow also 100%. Now we will clone the above line here, but first we will have to pick a sample. To pick the sample, just press and hold the Alt or Option key from your keyboard. As you can see, when I press the Alt key the brush is changing into a target point. To choose the target just place your cursor on the target, and press the left button of your mouse. Now release the Alt or Option key. Now as you can see, a sample with the cursor is showing. Oops. Sorry, the layer is locked. Now simply just press and hold the left button of your mouse, and drag it to the right. As you can see above, it's picking the sample from top. Very easy and amazing. I love this tool. We have made a perfect clone of this straight line. Now we will try to fill the gap between this line. Just take the sample by pressing and holding the Alt or Option key, then release the key and paint. Make the perfect alignment. Why it's happening? Because it take the sample from a limited area. Just release the mouse button and press again to continue, it will take the next sample automatically. Or you can take it again. Now as you can see, with the help of clone stamp tool what have we done, hope you understand. I was painted on the same layer, but you can also clone the object on new layer. To create a new layer above the original layer, just click on the new layer button. Remember that, to clone the object on new layer, we have to take the sample from the original layer first. Select the original layer and take the sample. Now select the new layer and start the stamping. As you can see, you can move it freely. Why its corners are smooth and fading? Let me show you why. Because I was using the smooth brush. You can change the settings according to your project's requirement. Now if I will paint here, see what will happen. Now at this time, its corners are not smooth but hard. Now to understand it more, I have downloaded a photo from freepik.com, we will work on it to understand the clone stamp tool. By using the clone stamp tool, we will vanish the spot from here. Let's make a duplicate copy to see the difference later. Just follow the steps we learned in the previous session. I picked this simple image, so that you can easily learn the usage of clone tool. Just practice with this tool and you will be able to use this tool on difficult and complicated projects. Now you can see the clear difference before and after. Now we will again clone this flower pot here. Now you have done. And finally we will learn about the pattern stamp tool. The pattern stamp tool is actually stamp the pattern. You can choose the different patterns from top menu, and you can also load different pattern. In my upcoming tutorials I will also teach you that how to create custom patterns. This is a very simple tool, just choose the pattern and paint, as simple as that. So it was the clone stamp tool. Hope you learned. See you in next lesson. Take care and goodbye.